Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Etsy with QuickBooks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to qbo.intuit.com to access QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful cloud-based accounting solution with many tools to help you manage your finances effectively. If you're new, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the homepage. Next, click on the Apps section within QuickBooks. This section is where you can find different apps that add new features and integrations to enhance your QuickBooks experience. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type Sync with Etsy. This is an important step because it helps you locate the exact app you need. The Etsy connector by Intuit. From the search results, look for Etsy connector by Intuit. This app is designed to link your Etsy transactions with QuickBooks, making sure your sales data is accurately reflected in your accounting records. Click on the app to open its information page. Here, you'll see details about the connector, including its features and benefits for your business. When you're ready, click on the Get App Now button. This will start the installation process. QuickBooks will guide you step by step to set up the connector smoothly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.